in 2022, which is the home of the red panda in West Bengal, obviously. Snow leopards, leopards, Royal Bengal tiger, which you will be seeing in a short moment after we take an entrance there. So these are the few things that hopefully will cover. Now let's see. At least we can see the black bear right now, which is very much in front of us. I'm giving a few very marks. দেখে দেবো? ভিডিও করতে Here we have the Mishmi Takin. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or not, but they are also, they do look like a lot of sheep, but as you can see, they are part goat and part antelope. So next we are having the Himalayan Tahr. I guess it is pronounced as Tahr only. You can see the spelling here. They are also at pleasure, taking their time and chewing on their own. They are very much at ease. Oh, we have a baby Himalayan Tahr as well, sitting with his or her mother. Can't be said whether it's a his or a her. So better to keep it at it. So here we have the sambar deer, and right now I think whatever we have seen, these are the largest of the family till now. What we have seen, they are spending their time on their own, so I don't think we should bother them much. I have the Macaw. They're actually antenas. They are very hard and they look amazing, very majestic looking beings. So not much bothered about people as we are pretty far away from them. They are also at ease. So next we have blue sheep, though I can't tell whether they are actually blue or not, but I think they might have some tinge of blue in them. Similar to the deers, but they are sheep. So this is the Himalayan Monal, as you can see. Some are taking evening siestas and few are roaming here and there, two are there in the shelter. They are pretty much at ease, chilling out right now. We are getting in the clouds right now. We do have a barking deer here, but oh, here he is. Hi! Hi! He is actually looking at us. He moved his head so that we can get a good picture of him. Now he's back to his siesta. Guys, I don't think I need to say anything more. Just listen to the beautiful sounds, the cacophony of different animals, birds, which is mesmerizing. So, going into the cloud, as you can see, we do have a meandering path downwards. But right now, we are on our way up. Come on. A pretty exhausting one though, but still a fun one. So we can see this few things while on our way up. The clouds, the trees, the environment, the weather, the animals, it's a medley of things which is, you can understand with like my excitement. I can't hold it right now because the weather and the environment just speaks for itself. We can see someone sleeping down there. If you can focus there, we have a leopard who is sleeping. We can have him from that side too if we get a good view. But before that, let's go and explore some more. Okay, the zoo is... Oh! Before we go ahead, we have a very unique sight of a black panther who is presently giving us another few poses. Before we go further ahead, today is our day. Each and every beautiful member of the feline family is giving amazing portraits for us. So now, after the black panther, the zoo is not only filled up with amazing animals but also with huge trees. Some of it I don't think I know the variety, but you can see the names written. But it's huge. Definitely, it's a canopy of beautiful and humongous trees here. The majestic snow leopard is here, who is looking at someone, I guess. But this is the most we can have of the leopard in a video. As you can see, it's all enclosed, but he is coming towards us and giving few very nice poses. The big cat is here. The big cat in all his majesty. Right now in front of us. He gave his pose. He did his ramp walk. Now he's going back. He did an excellent job as the model and gave us very nice clicks. So here we have the amazing view of the leopard. Come, disconnect. One of the members of the big cat family waiting patiently for visitors. See, this is a nice view. Yes. The view of the majestic cat is explanation in itself. I don't think I need to tell you guys anything more.
হাতের সাথে যা পাচ্ছে তাই তা না হজম করছে এখন খেয়েছিল পেট ভর্তি হয়েছিল দই এটা কি ছেড়ে দিয়েছে এটা কি ওঠে নাকি এটাকে
These are the Himalayan wolves. They are also taking naps. So, sleeping time. Yeah, I guess so. Take a photo. Sorry. Hi.
अच्छा उसके भाई भाई और brothers.
Here we have the Royal Bengal tiger, the king of Bengal, sleeping.
दिख रहा है क्या?
हाँ, सो रहा है वहाँ पर. इधर से ही दिखेगा सिर्फ. Can't see it from there. You have to
From here also.
the beauty of nature, the mother below, as you can see. Two embraced in each other, the child and the baby. Members of the female family, many, which some are known, some are not known, to me at least. They are pretty much at ease and giving. Okay, so we have this silver. We have a very beautiful pink cockatoo. His name is Roseatte Cuckatoo, and he's looking at us. Oh, maybe she is looking at us. Roseatte Cuckatoo, very beautiful pink in color. We have here the silver pheasant, bare-eyed cockatoo, sulphur-crested cockatoo. What else do we have here? We also have cockatiel. and rose-ringed parakeet, which is commonly known as parrot in most parts of India.
Macaw, Macaw.
Blue and gold Macaw. I think we will get a better view if we move around from that side. Coming from the other side, we have the red and blue Macaw and blue and gold Macaw sitting up there. Responding to all kinds of sounds and responding in their own unique way. The Macaws are just majestic. The vibrant colors, the sweet minarets, parakeets and parrots in their enclosures. The sweet melodious voice of them and the vibrant colors. That's too eye soothing and you can't miss it. दोन खाते लालटा the beautiful red panda, which is the most unique animal of this zoo, and basically it did insult me the last time I was here. This time he's very generous and he did come in front and did show his face to me. There's another one at the back chewing on leaves. Thank you, Mr. Panda, for being so generous this time. Hello guys, so this is it for the virtual tour of the Darjeeling Zoo, and would definitely recommend every one of you to visit the mesmerizing zoo once you are visiting Darjeeling. Do let us know in the comment section how you liked our video, and like, comment, subscribe and share our video as much as possible, and also do hit the bell icon to get regular updates on our video. Also, this is me, Abhishekta, and doing her first ever vlog in her entire life, so do please ignore my mistakes and let us know how you liked it.